Hi guys, it's Chris. We're back again with Lone Star Grillz. Today we're going to do a pepperoni pizza on the brand new LSG Patron. We're going to show you how to make it. We'll show you in a minute the grill, the cooking process, and all of that. For this one today, it's just going to be a real simple pepperoni cheese pizza. We have homemade a quick, easy pizza dough. The recipe will be down in the description so you can see how to do that. And in terms of the dough, this doesn't have to be a complicated affair. There are so many ways you can do this. You can make your own dough. There's dozens, millions of recipes out there for that, all kinds of ways. Yeast, no yeast, quick rise, Greek yogurt. There's all kinds of innovative ways to make the crust. You've always got the store-bought. If you're in a pinch, you don't want to make the dough, it's late in the afternoon, you're trying to figure out what you're going to eat. We've all seen the pre-made crusts in the store, grocery store aisles. Also, Sam's Club, Costco, go to the pizza counter. They have their pizza crust pre-made, frozen, individually packed by the case, already flattened out. So that's another great way. In addition, you can also do the flatbreads, the naan breads like we've done before. Those all make really cool pizzas, really great pizzas. So for this, we've gone ahead, we've got semolina flour. It's a coarse flour. You can also use like a cornmeal. We want to put that down on our cutting board or our board or pizza peel, whatever we're doing to prep this. It's almost like tiny little ball bearings that keep this dough from sticking to the surface. We're going to take a little bit more of that. We're going to hit the opposite side of this, the top here, and hit that with a little bit of that flour. Nice and even. Brush that around, flip that over. So that will become the bottom. You do the same thing if we were using cornmeal. So next, and I preach this on a lot of the things that I do and a lot of the things I cook, make sure it's high quality ingredients. You can home make your own sauce, you know, stew the tomatoes, cook them down, reduce them, all of that. You can do all that. You can buy a ready-made sauce like we've got here. Just always quality, high quality materials, high quality products, ingredients are going to yield the best results. Just like the grills we build, high quality, you want the ingredients that you're using while you're cooking to also be high quality. So we're going to take some sauce here. We're going to spread this around. We don't want to get it right to the edge because that's where the crust will be. So evenly, and a little goes a long ways. You don't need to put a layer, like a solid layer of sauce on here. We just want to get it coated around all the way, just close to the edge like you would picture that crust there, so everywhere in between. So we got that. Then we're going to go to our cheese. Again, high quality. I'm using Tillamook today. Low moisture. Has to be low moisture. And this is a 8-ounce bag. On a pizza like this, I typically use, you know, the whole 8-ounce bag. That's just kind of a good way to gauge it on this size pizza. Same thing. We don't want to get it all the way to the edge. I mean, if a little bit gets on there, that's fine. Not going to hurt anything. Spread that out nice and evenly. We'll go in with our pepperonis. Spread those around. And what's really cool about this is kind of like a build your own. There's no rules with this. You can do this with all sorts of ingredients, red sauce, white sauce, no sauce, cheese only, any kind of veggies. This is fun for the whole family because these cook so fast. Pop one in, kids want a cheese pizza, you want jalapenos, chicken Alfredo, chicken avocado, any kind of pizza you can possibly imagine. It's so easy to do, it's fun for the whole family. Everybody gets to have it their own way. So this is ready to go on the grill. We'll meet you out at the grill in just a second, show you how we've got that set up, and we'll get this on. All right, so we're outside. We got the El Patron fired up here. Kind of want to show you how I got it set up. I got pizza door down, pizza stone installed. We've got our fire management basket. You can kind of see how we've got our fire set in there. We got wood splits burning, nice bed of coals. Temperature's right at 500 right now. I've got my top vent shut, bottom vent open, top vent shut. We're exhausting the heat out of the door. The reason why we're doing that is because we want like on a traditional pizza oven, heat builds at the top and radiates back down. So we want to not only get that stone or the deck hot from the fire below, but we also want that heat coming down from the top to melt that cheese and cook the top of that pizza at the same time as the bottom is cooking. So without further ado, we'll get this on. Nice pizza peel, comes in handy. Just slides right off of there. That's why we put that semolina or that cornmeal so that it does not stick to the board. We've also dusted just a little bit on the actual stone itself. So get that set in there. And we'll come back and check on this in just a couple minutes. At 500 degrees, this is gonna take 5 minutes, give or take just a little bit. We'll show you the finished product. All right, so it's been about 6.5 minutes since we put this on. We've been running 500, 525, maybe even 550-ish while we've been doing this. So this is ready. Let's pull this out. Look at that. Completely melted, crust, browned, cheese, pepperonis, and another little thing you can do if you want. So all the heat's built up at the top. Let's say you were not completely melted or you wanted to brown this up just a little bit. Little pro tip, grab that, peel, stick it up there towards the top for just a second, kind of like a broiler. We're gonna go ahead, let this rest for just a second. We'll slice it up and we'll try a piece of this pizza. All right, so pizza number one is resting. We're fixing to try that. That's what's so cool about this, and this is where that comes in, like the different pizzas for the different family members or a party or gathering, is once you take the one out, you just put the other one in. It's just a continuous cycle. Keep feeding it wood. Keep sliding the pizzas in and rotating them in and out. So without further ado, we've cut this and let it rest just a little bit. Look at that. Crust completely cooked. Now that's pizza. And again, you make this however you want. Make it spicy, make it mild, make it big, make it little. It's yours, have it your way. For more information on the El Patron, check out our website, LoneStarGrills.com. For more cook videos on the El Patron and all of our others, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel.